Good morning, boys and girls. It's time for our math lesson 163, pages 325 to 326. Today is Tuesday, the 26th of May, and make sure you put your name at the top before we begin. All right, let's begin. In section 1, you need to write the times. Make sure you're counting by ones if the longhand is in between the numbers, because you're going to say it's 7 o'clock plus 1, 2, 3 plus 3 minutes, so it's 7:03. All right, and the same with the other clocks. Make sure you check shorthand is the hour hand, longhand is the minute hand. You already know that, so that should be easy. In section 2, you need to do something, and a lot of you forgot this last time. After you write how much money, you need to write the sums. So here you're going to write how much money is 4 quarters, how much money is 5 nickels, and then you're going to add it together. So first you have to check your work this way, and then this way, and then put your dollar sign. Same thing here, and here, and here. Make sure you're looking at what kind of money is in each section. Here it says 12 $10 bills and 8 $5 bills. So here, let's do this one together. Here we have 12 $10 bills. So 12 times 10 is 120. Ooh. And 0 cents. 8 times 5 is 40. Oops, let me put it right under. Hang on. Let me put it right under the other one. So here I have the 0. Here I have the 0. Here I have the 2. Here I have the 4. Here I have the 1. Here I have nothing. And here I have the 2 zeros. Okay? So now I have 0 minus 0, 0. Or not 0 plus 0 is 0, I mean. And then 0 again. And then 2 and 4 is 6. 1 and 0 is 1. And then I put that dollar sign. Okay. So that's how that needs to work. You need to keep it in line. Same thing up here. Keep them in line. Alright, and then here I have 10 $10 bills and 7 $5 bills. I'm going to do the same thing with 6 quarters and 8 nickels. Okay, let's move down to section number 3. Section number 3, circle the digit in the dimes place, that's the tens place, and you're going to draw a box around the pennies place. So if I see your circle looks like this and your box looks like that, it's going to be a minus because your box needs to look like a square. So I don't want any lazy ovals where it says it's supposed to be a box, okay? So circle the digit in the dimes place and make a box. Make a box around the pennies place, okay? All right. In section number 4, it says color 1/3 of the moose mugs at the gift shop. You need to count all of the moose mugs before you know what 1/3 of them is, because you need to be able to divide them into 3 equal parts. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If I have 9 mugs divided by 3, how many am I going to color? 9 divided by 3 is, yes, okay, so color that many. Okay, then in section number 5, write the answers and circle the products. Remember, this is multipliers, and this is the product. Okay? So here we have 7 times 5 is 35. And what is the product of this? 7 times 5 is 35. And then I want you to say it out loud after you write it. 7 times 5 is 35. And then circle the answer, the product. Circle the product. Then do the next one, the same thing. Okay, when you finish, check again to make sure you put your name at the top. Flip your page over. And it's a dot to dot. It's a dot to dot with a moose. I think it's a moose. It looks like a moose because look, here he has the lips and the ears and the something and this thing. I bet you it's a moose. Color the dots, connect the dots to complete the picture, and then color the picture. So 2 steps. First connecting the dots in order, and then coloring the picture neatly. And so that will be part of your grade, is how neatly you color. And remember, when you're counting by ones in Roman numerals, that sometimes it looks like it's going backwards. So let's do it together here. We have 1, 1, 2, 3, then all the way down to 5? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what you need to do before you begin is do it in your head, each one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I just did that, so now I know I can go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then I need to look at where I'm going next before I pick up that pencil and go 5, and then where I need to go to 6, which is all the way down here. Don't skip over to 10. You need to go 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 9, 10, 11, 12. Where's 13? Is that 13? No, that's 8. There's 13, 14. So it's going to go really weird, and it'll look really strange if you don't do it the way it says. All right, so be careful. Do that dot to dot correctly. Check your work, or have a parent check your work before you color, and then have them check your work after you color. And then you can be done with this page. All right, and we'll talk about our phonics page on a different video. Have a great day. Bye.